Hello, good morning. I'm back at it again. It's day 4. It's actually June 6th, which is my birthday. So happy. It's my birthday today. Anyway, so let's go right into it. I am doing a review or, the Dollar Tree nature measures. Like I said, I take um, 3 of the pills every day. The raspberry ketones, weight control, and green tea slim. So I do those 3 times a day. Sorry, my phone is going off because it's my birthday. Anyway, yeah, so I do those 3 times a day. Yesterday was a little different for me because I was not feeling well. I was feeling like really sick. My head was killing me because what I do, I was just like, oh my god. I did drink a lot of water like I normally do. I did eat an egg and pears. For lunch, I did eat some nuggets because I'm on the road. So, and then for dinner, I don't even think I really ate anything. Um, yeah, I just really was laying down. Um, just wasn't feeling too good. I did drink apple cider vinegar. I did have like a little bit of bites of the apple pie. But yeah, so let's see, how much do I weigh? I wish I could turn this camera around and then go ahead and talk to you guys, but oh well. Um, Alright, let's get this together. I knew I was having a low battery. I just don't know how long this is gonna stay. Okay, it says 244.0. Okay, so I wish I could pause this. Let's see, I'm just gonna see one more time. Let's just see if it says anything different. Okay, no, it's still saying the same thing. Sometimes it changes. Oh well. Anyway, so I lost a pound and some ounces, which is not bad at all. So yeah, I just wanted to lose a little bit more because I felt like I didn't eat that much, but at the same time, I just felt like I wasn't um, doing, I don't know. I just wasn't feeling good yesterday. But today is day 4 of Nature Measures Dollar Tree pills. So everybody have a wonderful day.